Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. I'm going to start off right now. I got 10,000 subscribers. Thanks to you guys. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Yes, behind me is my garage, my first house. That's what the garage looks like. It's not like finished, but better than working in a driveway, right? Rain, cold, you know, sunny, all that stuff, but better than nothing. So either way, I just want to tell you guys, if you're my viewer and you watch my videos, you know who I'm talking about. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon button so you guys could, you know, put the notifications on all so you're notified of my upcoming videos. I'd really appreciate that. You know, that helps me out a lot. I'm getting like 200,000 views a month, so I'm hoping, you know, everyone can actually subscribe to me. That would really help me out. And yeah, behind me is a whatever garage. I appreciate every small thing I get in my life, so that's that, and let's go continue. So that's what my garage looks like right now. You know, some home stuff. They say Home Depot is your second house. You always gotta go there and buy stuff. Yeah, that's how I set it up right now. My stuff up there for now, you know, things I may need. And yeah, over here, my tools are right there. All right, so continuing on to the video right here. What are we doing here? So remember I actually had a video on this, the magnetic plates. I had the magnets behind this, behind my plate, and I would stick it like that. But some people might say, oh, it starts covering the sensor. It covers the sensor. Okay, let's fix that right now. It's gonna be an update, all right? I only put this, I don't put this on while I'm driving. So I only put it on like if I'm parked at a meter or something like that. So where traffic officer might be walking by, so I don't get a ticket for no front plate, you know? That's the only time I put it on. If I'm parked with the municipal meter parking lot, you know, anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Grab your old, this frame that pretty much goes right there, see? Grab that. And I have my old frame. You don't need it, but I'm just gonna put it on. We're gonna go ahead and put the plate back on, screw it on there. And let me just figure this out and I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, there you have it. Check this out. We're not blocking the sensor anymore in the bottom. See that? It's checking out just perfectly fine. This is exactly where the license plate would go, right there. So it's held very strong. See that? I'll put the link in the description below for the magnets if you're new to the channel. Yeah, it took me at least like 4 or 5 pounds of force to take it off, which was really great. So that's how it is. See, have those two. If you want, you can have 3, of course, but I only had 2 left, so that's what I'm using right now. I would suggest if you use 3, that'll be great. You'll have more strength on it, like all 3 spots. So as you can see, where I put them is right there. Behind this, I have a 3M Gorilla 3M tape. I'll put the link in the description below for that. Yeah, if you don't have a blade, I'll put that as well. So you just click the link and you'll get it. That right there, that right there. This one is up to you, optional, but I would say if you're gonna get the magnets with more packets in there, more than like 3 pairs, then it's fine. Just 3 or more, you'll be able to do another one here. Just put 3M tape, put this one side of the magnet here, and I just put in my plate right there with the 2 Phillips. And check it out, it's pretty strong. You heard that? But of course I want to do that every time I go somewhere. I would slightly, you know, put it, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty strong. So yeah, that's it, guys. Pretty simple. Most of you, I'm sure you guys have this with the car. Yeah, almost everyone gets this frame with the car. Floater sticking right there. Yeah, that's about it. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video. The only reason why I tell you guys to like it, it's my friend's actually here, is doing some work, helping me out in the attic. That is going to come in the future soon. Yeah, so definitely, guys, thanks for supporting so far, and it's been a great journey with you all, and more awesome content to come. So stay tuned, and I think that's about it. That's all I got. Just to help you guys out so you guys don't block the sensor anymore. All right, peace out.